Go to the Hostel module from the Admin panel. Click on Hostel. Click on the Add a Hostel from the top right corner. Fill up all the required fields: hostel name, type, address. Then hit the Add Hostel button to save the information. A new hostel will be added to the list. You can add a new category from the Category option. Go to the Category and click on Add a Category from the top left corner. A form will appear. Select a hostel and insert the class type and hostel fee. Then hit the Add Category button to save it. To add a hostel member, go to the Member option. Select any specific class from the top right corner. The student list of that class will appear. Click on the plus sign to whom you want to add. Select the hostel name and class type from the following form. Then hit on the Add Member button. That particular student will be added as a hostel member.